If you do not know, Repeat.gg is officially shutting down in June 2026. So if you have been using it to earn rewards by playing games, you are probably looking for good alternatives right now. In this video, I'll show you the best Repeat.gg alternatives and similar websites you can start using today. What Repeat.gg was. Quick recap, Repeat.gg was a platform where you could compete in skill-based challenges in games and earn rewards like gift cards or cash. The key idea was simple: play games, compete, get rewarded. Now let's look at the best platforms that offer something similar. Number 1. Skills. First up is Skills. Skills is one of the biggest skill-based gaming platform out there. It hosts competitive versions of mobile games where you can enter tournaments and win real money. Pros: huge player base, real cash competitions, works on many mobile games. Cons: limited to certain supported games, requires deposits to compete in higher stakes matches. If you liked Repeat.gg's competitive aspect, Skills is a strong option. Players Lounge. Next is Players Lounge. This platform focuses more on console and PC gamers, especially games like FIFA, NBA 2K, Call of Duty, and Fortnite. You can challenge other players directly or join tournaments. Pros: supports popular competitive games, head to head matches, active community. Cons: mostly PvP, not solo challenges. Entry fees are common. This is a great choice if you prefer playing against real players instead of solo challenges. Game Champions. Game Champions is another solid alternative. It offers tournaments for games like FIFA and Fortnite, and you can win real prizes depending on your performance. Pros: clean interface, regular tournaments, and real rewards. Cons: game selection is limited, competitive level can be high. Buff. This is number 4. Buff is a bit different but still worth mentioning. Instead of direct competitions, Buff rewards you for just playing games. You earn points in the background and redeem them for gift cards or gaming items. Pros: passive earning, works with many games, no need to win matches. Cons: rewards are slower, lower earning potential. If you want something more casual than Repeat.gg, Buff is a good pick. Number 5. Gamer Salon. Gamer Salon has been around for a long time. It allows players to compete in matches for money across games like Maiden, FIFA, and Call of Duty. Pros: trusted platform, competitive matches, multiple game options. Cons: entry fees required, can be highly competitive. World Winner. World Winner is another platform focused on skill based games. It includes arcade style games, puzzles, and card games rather than big esports titles. Pros: easy to get started, variety of casual games, cash prizes available. Cons: not focused on modern AAA games, more casual audience. Now, mainly Repeat.gg was for earning money from competitions and tournaments. Now, there are also some other platforms that you can win money by playing games, like Game Tester, for example. Game Tester is one of the most popular platforms that you can actually use in order to test some games and earn money for that. So if you want to earn money from gaming, you can also try Game Tester. Another solutions that you can actually try is to try to coach or boost someone in some games. And now you can find this in 3 main websites. Number 1 website is Sky Coach. Sky Coach is a bit different. It's more of a service platform where players can pay for coaching, boosting, or in-game help. Pros: supports many popular games, fast services, useful for progression. Cons: not a reward platform, you pay instead of earning. This is more of an alternative if your goal is improving in games rather than earning money. G2G Marketplace for gamers. You can buy and sell game items, accounts, or services, and you can even offer your skills on G2G for coaching, for boosting, for selling game items, and so on. Pros: wide range of games, opportunity to earn by selling, global marketplace. Cons: not competition based, requires effort to sell items. Eldorado. Eldorado.gg is another marketplace similar to G2G. It focuses on secure buying and selling of in game items and services. Pros: secure transactions, many supported games, can earn by selling. Cons: not skill based competitions, depends on marketplace demand. So you can also offer your skills on Eldorado, like coaching and boosting, if you are actually good enough in one of the games that has been on G2G or Repeat.gg. Now, which one should you choose? Here's a quick breakdown: competitive matches, players' lounge or game champions, mobile tournaments, skills, passive rewards, buff, casual games, world winner, marketplaces, G2G or Eldorado, coaching services, Sky Coach. There is no exact replacement for Repeat.gg, but these options cover most use cases. With Repeat.gg shutting down in June 2026, it's a good idea to explore new platforms early. Just remember, always check fees, rules, and payout systems before you start. And my advice to you guys is not to compete in any tournament that makes you pay money in order to compete or in order to share or roll inside the tournament. So you don't have to pay money in order to compete in a tournament or to roll in a tournament, because this is called gambling, and gambling isn't a good thing. So I advise you to avoid such acts. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and tell me down below in the comments which platform are you switching to after Repeat.gg close. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in a new video.